Hi, it's Simon from Tokyo Memories again. I'm just near my office and I've found some kind of weird things in some Japanese vending machines. So I'm gonna pick up some stuff, go back to the office, and give it a taste. Hello again. So I'm back from the vending machine just near to the office. I've picked up some very random, unusual items, which we're going to try. I'm going to start from this side. Okay, so this is Oden. It's come out of the vending machine hot. Oden is a traditional winter food in Japan. You'll find it sold in convenience stores. People eat it at home. This one comes in a can. The can is still really warm. Let's open it up. Shall I get Okay, I'm going. Let's see what's in there. Oh. Is this tofu? Fish cake?
Fish.
So this is a fish cake. We've got a quail egg. This is konnyaku, which is a kind of jelly made from a mountain potato. Apparently it's got negative calories. Oh. Okay. So some daikon. This is made konnyaku as well. That's like konjac. Shiratake is mountain potato noodles. Oh, there's a bit of beef. Another kind of fish cake. And another quail's egg. Another bit of beef. I think that's it. And there's some soup. Soup is kind of like a dashi. I mean, it looks quite nice. I mean, in the can, it doesn't look that great, but on the plate, looks okay. Gonna give it a go. A bit of daikon. I mean, daikon is like a large white radish. I mean, it's okay. It's not the best oden I've ever had, but yeah, it's nice. Little quail's egg, says here. It's okay. I mean, it's not the most delicious thing in the world. Yeah. I mean, I guess if you were really hungry and there was no convenience store, someone might buy it from a can. For me, I'm not a fan, really. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there. Okay, so another slightly weird one, which the vending machine had. I'll keep the chopsticks. We have Karage. So Karage is fried chicken. I mean, there's a little picture of it there. I'm not sure what this is going to taste like. I can't imagine having fried chicken in a can. It actually says in English on the side, umami and a hot taste with soy sauce. That sounds pretty good. Let's open. Oh. I mean, it doesn't look great, does it? Let's I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah. So, I mean, it smells a bit like dog food. I'm just going to try this little one. Completely fine. It's kind of like a little bit like sweet and sour chicken. A little bit kind of almost tastes a little bit Chinese. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I mean, not great, but it is from a vending machine. Okay, so what was this one called again?
甘いか太郎、キムチ味。
So yeah, kimchi flavored dried squid. Oh, it's a sheet of dry squid. It's really sticky. It smells like kimchi. Doesn't smell bad at all. Let's put that on the plate. Let's get rid of that. I mean, this is a kind of kids' favorites, I guess. And just kind of peel little bits off. Huh. It's quite sour. It's good. And I think that cost like 50 yen, so about 50 US cents from a vending machine. I mean, it's unusual, it's a bit strange, but I think it's quite nice. I think that one's quite good. Not bad. Okay. Huh? Your-chan.
よっちゃんイカ。
Your-chan ika. So ika is squid. This is another little squid
すごい
snack.
有名。
Really famous, like old-fashioned. Yeah, old-fashioned, classic Japanese little snack. I can't find the little entrance. What's that? Oh! Sorry. I mean, it's bright, kind of red. Oh. Yeah. It smells really sour. It smells really, really vinegary. I've not had this before. Let's have a little bit. It's quite hard. It smells like dried vinegar. It's really good. It's sour, it's chewy, delicious. Really, 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 really sour. Let's move those. That's quite nice. Oh, we've had that one. Okay, so we have, this is called a Umaibo. It's kind of like a corn stick. It's really, really popular in Japan. One stick costs you probably 10 cents, 10 yen, about 10 US cents. And they come in hundreds of flavors. So this one is tonkatsu sauce. So tonkatsu sauce is kind of like a spicy sauce that you eat with fried pork. And just open it up. Okay, there you go. Let me just put down the plates. Yeah, so just break it a little bit. I don't want to eat too much. Oh, so it's quite crumbly. It's really light. It's really strongly flavored. It tastes like tonkatsu sauce. It kind of melts in your mouth. It's good. It's not going to fill you up. Let me just get a tissue. Okay, I'm going to put that on there. Okay, so then I've never seen this before. Pachi Pachi Panic is the name of this.
パチパチパニック。
And
コーラ味。
cola flavor. So Coke flavor. It sounds like popping candy. Let's have a look. I'll put that on there. Oh, yeah, okay. What is it? Ramune? So these ramen is just like a kind of a sugar sweet, and I guess this is the popping. You gonna try some? Yeah.
パチパチ
Patch patchy panic! It's nice. It's popping away.
パチパチ
It tastes, yeah, it's just like a classic Coke flavoured sweet. You know, kids love that. Adults too. Yeah. Okay, so we got two kind of drinks from the machine. Tsubimi.
つぶみ
Tsubumi. So tsubu is like with pieces in. This is great. Let's pour that in there. Okay, so you can see that has kind of large pieces of grape in it. I mean, that's quite good, right? It's muscat, so it's green grape. I'm gonna have a sip. I'm sure it's delicious. It's grape juice with bits of grape in it. Absolutely stunningly delicious. I've never had that before. It's a winner. That's good. And the last one. This is Calpis.
濃いめ
Koime, so strong Calpis. Calpis, obviously, in English, the name does not sound particularly appetizing. But it's basically a yogurt drink. It's like probably the most popular kids drink in Japan. And you can mix it with alcohol and yeah, let's have a little look. So yeah. I guess it's like yogurt. Let's have a little sip. It vaguely tastes like a sweet lassi, but sweet yogurt, water, delicious. If I was going to rank these, I mean, 1, 2, they're both delicious. The drinks are really nice. This is really nice with the bits of grape in. Popping candy, delicious. The dried sour squid, that was absolutely really nice, really chewy, sharp. If you like sour things, that was good. Umaibo is just a crunchy little snack, delicious. The squid sheet, kimchi flavoured squid sheet, is okay. Quite sticky, but not bad. The karage, it's a bit weird having fried chicken in a can, but it was edible. It wasn't bad. I mean, it wasn't good, but it wasn't bad. And the Oden, I'm not a massive fan of Oden anyway, but I don't think Oden translates well to being in a can. So I would recommend this. Okay, thanks very much, and hopefully see you again. Bye bye!